This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download any YouTube video without the use of software. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you have to do is go to your dock, go to your web browser, which in this case is Safari. Click on this and now type into Google YouTube video downloader, and now go to the first link, which is called keepvid.com, and now we can go to YouTube and click on any video that we like, which is, I'll just click on this one, how to downgrade iTunes, and pause this video, go to the URL, copy this and download, and click on Max 720 download. Your file is downloading, please wait a second. So the video itself has downloaded. So if I go back to YouTube, it is the video that we wanted to download. So here it is. So this is the video that we wanted to download, and we have it here with us. Okay, go back, close out of this. Now go back to YouTube and download another video. So I could just type in 3-second video on YouTube. Click on this and pause this video, take the URL, go back to and paste the URL, click on download, and now download again. The file has now already downloaded. So here is the video. Okay, close out of this and close out of everything. So the links will be in the description below. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.